bridge, second bridge. Actually, gorgeous forest. And let's look over the bridge a second. Look at that. Try the other side. Sunny today. Look at these huge trees. And the base of that tree goes so far up in the beautiful blue sky today. Just loving it. Loving this beauty. Fresh air. So nice. Here we are, taking a beautiful walk out here in the forest for my exercise, and beautiful rainforest, lots of green growth and trees covered. It is so lovely out, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do every day, Monday through Friday. I get out here and do my 10,000 steps, which is very important for my health. It makes my pulse lower, it makes me feel better, gives me more energy. So many things happen. Tones my entire body because I'm walking. It's such a great activity, because running not so much I could do, but I love to walk, and if you can't run, no worries there. Walking is excellent for exercise and for so many things. So I just want to give you a little glimpse of my forest here that I'm walking in. Big, tall trees here, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that view. Hear the birds singing. Such a peaceful joy is feeling to be out here walking and exercising, and make such a difference. I sleep really good at night. If you have trouble sleeping at night, this is a good idea. You know, just so many things it does for your system. It's just incredible, and I'm just thankful to be out here today. Wanted to give you a little. I do this Monday through Friday, 10,000 steps a day. My first week to do 50,000, and I just keep moving forward. It's so many benefits, and I'm just so thankful that I have a place like this to walk in. And I just want to say hey, and thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.